In the proposed budget of 2015 to 16, the government imposed 10% VAT on private universities, medicals and engineering colleges for the first time in the country.
They announced that they will continue their protest through various kinds of activities such as street painting, processions and cartoon exhibitions until the removal of the VAT.
In the meantime, students of different private universities attended the human chain.
This is not black money. The government should take care of this. The United States, what they are doing, this is totally bull. যতক্ষণ না ভ্যাট প্রত্যাহার করা হবে আমরা এখানে অবস্থান করব।